Hello, yes, it is me, Minecart Studios. This is my voice. Hello. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Pico's voice from Friday Night Funkin into KINEmaster. So what you want to do is you want to create a new project in KINEmaster and just put any random image to get started. All right. So now what you want to do is you want to I'm just gonna choose something from the audio library. I'm just gonna pick something random like this one right here. And after you got your audio in or your recorded voices, what you want to do next is you want to go click on the audio. You want to click voice changer, and you want to put on the robot effect. And then after you've done that, you want to go to the audio mixer, right, like right here, this one right here, and you want to turn the pitch all up to 3, and then you should have something like this.
Okay, it's nighttime, it's super dark, and you're lying in bed, and you're like, hey, I want to see some stars. But how are you going to see some stars with all these closed blinds in your room? Well, let's just open the blinds, and maybe we're going to see some stars out tonight.
And yeah, that's how you make Pico's voice from Friday Night Funkin' into a KINEmaster. There you go. That's how you do it.